Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the text box and pressing Ctrl plus so every paragraph is editable. This avoids missing hidden formatting. Next, open the Home tab and focus on the paragraph group. That's where line spacing and indent controls live. If multiple slides share the issue, switch to Slide Master now, because fixing the master applies changes globally. Once done, adjust line spacing to 1, 0 or 1. 15 and observe how density changes. This gives a baseline for finer tweaks. Now you move into the detailed controls. Click Line Spacing options and enter precise point values for line spacing and set spacing before and after to avoid large gaps between paragraphs. Make sure to adjust left/right indents and use the ruler to set first line and hanging indents so bullet alignment is consistent. If tabs misalign list items, set custom tab stops. Once you've calibrated values, apply them to the style or master so future text inherits the corrected spacing. To finish, apply your adjusted spacing to the slide master or the selected slides so formatting is consistent. Then scan slides in normal and slide sorter views to confirm layout. Make sure to inspect notes page and presenter view if those need spacing fixes too. If spacing still looks incorrect, try clearing formatting or paste the text as plain text into a fresh text box, then reapply styles. This removes hidden styles that cause odd gaps. Finally, save a version so you can revert if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.